Giloy, as you can see, it's like this, and you can look into the net, and I'm going to tell you the benefits of Giloy. Once upon a time, a year ago, my husband was having a deadly allergy, also maybe an allergic rhinitis, and then he heard from somewhere that he needs to use Giloy. He heard about this plant, Giloy, and then he started using it, and within 1 week time the clogged nose got better, and then slowly he got better. And then I'm not saying that he doesn't get it right now, but when he gets it, it doesn't become too severe. So you could try this, and you can look into the net for the benefits. One benefit is for the allergic rhinitis, and then also it develops your immunity, it seems. Okay, so but you have to be very careful about this plant also, because it lowers your sugar level. So you cannot give it to your elderlies who have sugar, who are diabetic patient, if you are not monitoring them. If you monitor them, then you can, if you have a glucometer, then you can give them this. But I think I would like to suggest here that you can give it once a week. I think that should be fine, and then monitor, and you can just look into it. It's very good. And do we have bunch of it? I have bunch of it. I've just put it in the water a little bit, and then I'm just going to put it in the fridge. There are more, but it's going to dry up, so that is why. See, it looks like this. And what you need to do is just chop it in between. If you've had ginger syrup, this is how you do. You just do it like this, crush it a little bit, and then put it in the water and boil it for some time. And the taste, please do not ask me about the taste, because it's so bitter. And then you can I don't know if you can add some some things like lemon and all, because there would be a reaction to both the things. So I cannot say for sure. Just have it plain. I think it's better if you have it plain, and try it for a week. But for allergy, it definitely works, because I've seen it in my husband. Within 1 week, his clogged nose got better, and slowly within 1 month he got better. And now also when he does get, it does not get too severe. And so that is why we have this. And I would not say anything that I don't believe in, or that I've not seen, or I would always say things that I believe in. So Giloy is one of those. This big mug, it's a huge mug. I'll show you the normal cup that we have, so that you get a good idea, a better idea. See, I'm sorry, a little clumsy there. Yeah, see, this is a huge mug, and this is your regular chai cup, so this is huge. So, and inside it fits a lot. So I think at least this is more than 200 ml. So you need to drink more amount, and then after this you can still use it. Don't throw it. You can still use it 2-3 times in a day. You can still use it. And what do you have in your pocket? I can see something in your pocket. What's that? Is that a friend? Elephant. He takes it with him everywhere he goes. My baby. My baby needs comfort. Yeah, hi. I'm just done with my thumbnail photographs, and which I'm going to put for the coming week for the thing that I'm going to speak on. So that's why you see the makeup, and I was acting cute with the pictures and all, but I don't know if it suits me or not. So we are having a school time right now, learning letters and numbers, but today I don't think I'm going to click anything at all, because it's the same story, and by now you know it, how dreadful it is for me. So I'm not going to click any of the videos today for our school hour, but pray that I come out alive from this. So today I'm going to talk about my best comedians. Number one has to be Michael McIntyre. He's available in YouTube or Facebook. And why I like him is because of the simplicity of the story. Once I just finished all of his videos, I liked it so much, and I started watching videos after videos, videos after videos, and that too at night time. I was like laughing all alone, and it was so funny. So you can check him out. He's very funny. And also, why I like him is because he does not have that, what do you call, a satire comedy, I think so, that he does not give a, sneering at anybody, like politics or race or anything like that. He does not do all of that. So he's just like very simple, day to day, regular kind of, topics he has. So I just love him. And the second one has to be Maya Ben from Sara Bhai versus Sara Bhai. I don't think they are there anymore. But when I saw that, the series, it was like I found it so funny, and the character was very, very, very unique. Maya Ben's character, and she is somebody who is like condescending all the time. She's from a high class, I think so, and then how she, uses certain words in a funny way. So I like Maya Ben. Second has to be Maya Ben, and the third one has to be my mother. Okay. And why mother? It's because my mother, with her straight face, she can just make you laugh. And me and my husband, sometimes, we would be sitting, and then silently, we'll be sitting and doing our own work, and then suddenly, my husband says, you know what your mother used to say? And then we would recall, and then we would laugh, and we won't be able to stop only thinking about all of that. So with a straight face, she will make you laugh like anything. And that is something that people don't know about her, I think so, that she is a real comedian with a real straight face. She can, just make you laugh like anything. So if you also know any other comedians, because I dig comedians, and I just love them. And so if you have any other comedians, who are like, I like clean comedies. So if you have anybody like that, you can just, send it across to me through my direct message or the comment below on the YouTube. So please do that. Thank you so much for watching. So one thing I was noticing is that my body structure has become like this, a little bit stooped, like this. During the surgery, I think so, I noticed myself doing this. So the exercise for that is this, the remedy. You just take your hands like this at the back, hold it like this, and then just stand straight. Don't stoop like this again. Stand straight like this, and then just take it back. Try to, put it up as much as possible. Dig it up as much as possible, and it has to hurt, obviously. So if you have any support like this, here I can see some support. If I can support like this, it's even better. It has to be higher. So you can do like this, but you have to keep your body straight. Okay, keep your body straight. And this is a posture I learned from my sister. So this is how you have to do for a stooped posture. And she said that, to rectify your posture, it is possible, and then it takes around 2-3 months of time, that less time. And if you do it properly, that is, if you do exactly like, the physiotherapist say, then it is possible for you to rectify your posture. So that's about it. It's 8 o'clock, and I am going to cook. So it's the second day, and it's 11 o'clock. Little better than yesterday. So we are going to sleep now. There. Light is off now.